Once upon a time, in a cozy little home, lived a supermom named Emma. With a heart full of love for her family and a desire to contribute to their finances, she embarked on an exciting adventure to make money online. One fine morning, while sipping her coffee, Emma stumbled upon the magical world of digital business with affiliate marketing. Digital business with affiliate marketing? What's that? She wondered. Fear not, for we shall demystify this enchanting concept. You see, affiliate marketing is like a modern-day treasure hunt. Emma partners with fantastic companies that handle the technical stuff that truly sparkle. They give her a special link to her own website that she shares with her friends and followers. She does not sell or bug friends and family, but info about the website and how they can make a difference. Now, here comes the magic. When someone clicks on Emma's special link and buys into the global community, a little fairy sprinkles pixie dust. And voila! Emma earns a commission from her digital business through helping others. Wow! The road to live one's own terms has never been so much fun, Emma gleefully said. Emma realized that she needed to choose her treasure wisely, so she decided to dive into the ocean of possibilities and find her very own treasure chest, the perfect niche. After exploring various niches, from wellness wonders to crafty creations, she discovered her true passion, helping others to live life on their own terms. With her niche in hand, Emma put on her explorer hat and did some research. Just like a curious detective, she wanted to understand her audience's desires and needs, what made their hearts skip a beat. With a twinkle in her eye, she sprinkled her magic all around the digital kingdom, creating her very own narrative. Emma noted, "Sharing is caring, and I care so much about helping others." Emma's kindness and sincerity charmed the hearts of many, and soon a loyal community formed around her. But Emma's adventures didn't end there. She discovered the magical world of social media, where she could connect with even more friends. Emma sprinkled her magic dust on Instagram and Facebook, sharing her enchanting journey with the world. "I've found the most incredible treasure of all, the joy of helping others while making my dreams come true." Join Emma and unlock your potential to make money online just like she did. Click the link below to get started on your affiliate marketing odyssey within the global community.